Hello everybody! What a great season to ride, right? Except when something like this happens. It's a situation we all had to deal with, I think. The traditional hand air pump just won't reach enough air pressure. Are you still satisfied with the performance of traditional pumps? It takes a lot of effort to reach the required pressure by pumping the air. It will only take a minute with Kickstand Pump, and you can easily pump up to 120 psi. Small CO2 disposable gas tanks are sometimes handy, but they are expensive and not very eco-friendly. That's why you might use a flow hand air pump at home, but you don't even need this anymore. All you need is a minute with Kickstand Pump to get up to 120 psi. We all know kickstands are handy, but they can be heavy or clumsy. We have developed a solution to this problem. This kickstand pump is a combination of a kickstand and a portable pump. It's still very light and with a sporty design. Also, it includes an LED taillight, which means you can ride safely at night. The tire goes completely flat. We also definitely need a tire lever in order to take it out. But other tire levers out there are short and thick and can be quite hard to use. Sometimes they even break. But Kickstand Pump is long enough to create good leverage, and the edge is designed to be sharp enough to fit into the space to take off the flat tire. Kickstand Pump, with its light sport design and multifunction features, is patented. It will make your bicycle riding fun and stress-free. Not enough air pressure.
It's too heavy and not very ergonomic.
You don't need this.
You don't need this.
You only need one thing.
Kickstand Pump! Kickstarter!
Kickstand Pump needs your help.
Kickstart
your Kickstand Pump! Thank you!
Thank you!